Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with another 1 minute of inspiration, bringing you all the motivation and inspiring quotes to help kickstart your day. And here's your quote from Sergeant Johnny Joey Jones, who unfortunately lost both his legs during an army tour. People ask how I stay so positive after losing my legs. I simply ask how they stay so negative with theirs. We all know that people perceive things in different ways. One person's problem is another person's dream, and that is no different with how you see the circumstances of your legs. Take the sergeant's example here. He has people asking how he copes with no legs from those who are so negative with legs. Everyone's situation is different, but thinking before speaking will take you a long way.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.